Now we are going to take a look at our advanced search feature in Education Collection. So we're back at the home page. You see we're on basic search. Let's click to advanced search. And sticking with the theme of education and assistive technology, we are going to look up assistive technology, and we are going to use our Boolean operators. There's a drop down. You can use and, or not. And you can also add a row if you need to add other facets of your search. So let's just stick with education for now. We'll keep our search simple, but we want to make sure that we're exploring assistive technology specifically in education. Again, you'll see your pre-search qualifiers. You can limit it to full text or peer-reviewed again, but this time you have some more options, unlike the basic search. You can sort by publication date, source type, document type, or language. You can do this all in the pre-search. For now, we're just going to keep it simple, and we're going to search. You'll see it looks very similar to the basic search again. We have quite a few less results. And then down the left, we have our same post-search qualifiers. So if you chose not to filter by anything in the beginning, you can definitely do it here and apply that. So let's enter a date range and let's keep it more current. And they have this handy scroll thing. And you can see that most of the results are in more recent years. So let's update that and let's see what happens. So our results dropped again, which is good. And you'll also notice, I thought this was a cool feature, but it gives you books that match your search. So while in the source type, you can filter by books, and you see that there's 77 of them. It just offers a quick link here. So our advanced search is pretty basic, but it does give you more options than your basic search.